Hi everybody, welcome back to another reaction. Today I'll be continuing Season 2. I loved the premiere. It was a great start to the season, so I'm really excited to see where we go from here. Yeah, I don't have that many introductory comments, so I just want to get right to the episode. So here we go. This is Season 2, Episode 2, Some Assembly Required.
Hey, is this a bad time?
Are you crazy? You don't just sneak up on people in a graveyard. You make noise when you walk. You stomp or yodel.
I heard you were on the hunt.
I'm supposed to be, but
Angel yodeling.
Lazy Bones here doesn't want to come out and play.
When you first wake up, it's a little disorienting. He'll show.
It's weird to think of you going through that.
It's weird to go through. So, you're here alone?
Yeah. Why?
I just thought you'd have somebody with you. Xander or someone.
Xander.
Or something.
He's jealous.
Why? Are you jealous?
Oh, Xander? Please. He's just a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Is it because I dance with him?
Danced with is a pretty loose term. Mated with might be a little closer.
Do you think you're being a little unfair? There's one little dance, which I only did to make you crazy, by the way.
I was right.
My success.
I am not jealous.
You're not jealous. What, vampires don't get jealous?
See? Whenever we fight, you always bring up the vampire.
Well, I didn't come here to fight.
They're fighting like a married couple already.
Right, I did. He's just a kid. Does that mean I'm just a kid too?
Look, obviously I made a mistake coming here tonight.
Oh, no, you don't. You can't just turn and walk away from me like that. It takes more than that to get rid of me. Oh. Oh.
You okay?
Fine.
Awkward.
Gee, I wish people wouldn't leave open graves laying around like this.
So, another vampire has risen tonight.
I don't think so. Look at those tracks. Whoever was buried here didn't rise from this grave.
Gravedigger.
She was dragged from it.
What I'm proposing is, and I don't mean to appear indecorous, is a social engagement, a date, if you're amenable. Idiot!
Be practicing.
Boy, I guess we never realized how much you liked that chair.
I was just working on,
Your pickup lines?
For Jenny.
in a manner of speaking, yes.
And if you wouldn't mind a little Gene and Roger, you might want to leave off the idiot part. Being called an idiot tends to take people out of the dating mood.
It actually kind of turns me on.
I fear you. You also might want to avoid words like amenable and indecorous, you know? Speak English, not whatever they speak in,
England?
Yeah. You just say, hey, I got a thing, you maybe have a thing, maybe we can have a thing.
Well, thank you, Cyrano.
I'm not finished. Then you say, how do you feel about Mexican?
Mexicans?
Mexican. Food. You take her for food, you should then pay.
Okay, I'm doing this under protest. It is not fair that they're making participation in this year's science fair mandatory. I don't think anyone should have to do anything educational in school if they don't want to.
The tomato. Fruit or vegetable?
I wanted to do something I could finish in a weekend, alright? Stop it!
What's with this
What are
guy?
you doing? We are under fluorescent lights, for God's
The
sake.
camera loves you.
I didn't think yearbook nerds came out of hibernation till
Oh.
spring.
Your book.
This is from my private collection. Eric, will you quit it?
Coming through. Sorry. Sorry to interrupt, Willow, but it's the bat signal. Okay, sure. See you later, Chris. Thanks for the tip.
Cordelia's so fine. You know, she'd be just perfect for us. Don't be an idiot. She's alive.
They dug up the girl? Ew.
This shouldn't take long.
Run. Run.
Hello?
Of course.
Cordelia, this is the last place I expected you to hang out.
Look at the outfit.
God, it's you. Why were you following me?
I wasn't sure it was you at first. I'm looking for Buffy.
Buffy? Well, she's, big shock. She's at the graveyard.
Not used to wearing, like, clothes like that.
She said she'd be home.
Well, she lied. Isn't she a rascal? Well, you're in luck. It just so happens that mine had it sprayed. Hold on. My spray was cut. There.
That's really gross.
So both coffins are empty. That makes 3 girls signed up for the army of zombies.
Is it an army if you just have 3?
Zombie drill team, then.
You're back.
Angel.
Xander. Angel. I thought you were taking a night off.
I was, but something came up.
Cordelia told me the truth. It's got to be a first.
As long as you're here, perhaps you could be of some help.
We were investigating. Somebody's been digging up the bodies of dead girls.
I know. We found some of them.
You mean like 2 of the 3?
I mean, like some of them. Like parts.
It was horrible. Angel saved me from an arm. God, there were so many parts. They were everywhere. Why are these terrible things always happening to me?
Karma!
So much for our zombie theory.
So much for all our theories.
I don't get it. Why go to all the trouble to dig up 3 girls only to chop them up and throw them away?
Yeah,
It
they only
doesn't
need
make
certain
any
parts.
sense, especially from a time management standpoint.
Aw, too bad. Keep in touch. Bye-bye.
I don't want to go alone. I'm still fragile. Can you take me? Great. I'll try.
Was he trying to dress
How
like
about
lighter,
that?
kind of like
I
Xander?
respect him as a one-woman vampire.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. But why? Just get a real girlfriend, jeez.
Talking about my girl. My girl. How's my baby?
She's not your baby.
She's not gonna be anybody's baby if we don't finish her soon.
I'm working on it.
So am I, friend. So am I.
Yes, yes. Very good.
Did you bring it? Tomorrow.
Very good.
Okay, Giles, just remember. I feel a thing, you feel a thing, but personalize it.
Mexican.
She's a techno-pagan, right? Ask her to bless your laptop. Have fun.
He's so nervous.
Best of luck.
Good morning, Rupert.
It's Canada.
Oh, no, please, call me Jenny. Miss Callender's my father.
Jenny, then. You know, Jenny, would it appear indecorous? No, not indecorous.
Yeah?
Well, what?
Rupert, look, I've got to get inside and set up the lab. Listen, if it's important, why don't you just show me at the game?
Game? Oh, you're going to the football game?
Yeah, you seem surprised.
No, I just assumed that you spend your evenings downloading incantations and casting bones.
Again, now you nuts. You're going too, right?
Oh, of course. Always do.
So we should just go together. Look, I could pick you up after school and we'll grab a bite to eat on the way if you like. How do you feel about Mexican? Yeah, okay. And then whatever it is you want to tell me, you can just tell me then, okay?
Okay. Tonight, then.
Well, that worked out.
That went well. I think.
Oh, he's so cute.
Still don't get...
You know what we have to do? Hell, it's just one lousy girl.
I won't do it. I can't kill anyone. Please.
promised me a little brother.
What?
I wouldn't be alone.
He brought his brother back? Well, that makes more sense, I
Body
guess.
is perfect. And if we harvest ahead tonight, she'll be ready by sunrise.
When you brought me back, you promised you'd take care of me. I need this, Chris. I need someone.
Please don't ask me to do this. Don't ask me to take a life. I tried to tell him, if you take a life in order to make a life, the whole thing is a wash. No harm, no foul.
Maybe you could go out.
No!
Let people know. They can't see me. Chris, you've always been smarter. You were always the brains. You're the only one who can help me now. Third and long. Seconds to go. Where do you throw? This one.
Cordelia, I bet.
A man of taste. Talking about
This guy is a creep.
I checked the obits. Nothing that would make for a likely candidate.
So, was he home? Westbury game. November 17th, 95. Darryl rushed 185 yards that night, 4 TDs. He was MVP and he made All-City that season.
Yeah, that was a great one. But is Chris home?
Oh no. It's today a school day. Oh, watch. Watch this move. Darryl takes a kickoff. He sheds 1, 2, 3 defenders, and he breaks into the open field for a 95-yard touchdown.
Why's the camera doing that? He's a... Well, she's lucky that window's there. She's gonna want her now instead.
Cordelia, you coming? Yeah, I'll be right out.
Go with them.
Oh, God. Chris, you scared me. What are you doing in here? Is something wrong? He's gone. I thought we went down to the field when Chris came in and all of a sudden someone jumped me. Shh, relax. Take it easy. There's a fight song. Oh my God, it's time for the cheerleader pyramid at midfield. I've got to go. What, are you sure you're okay to go out there? Yeah, you don't understand. I have to go. I'm the apex.
Watch her want Buffy now. Shit.
Chris? I know what you're trying to do. You and Eric. I know about the bodies from the cemetery. But you haven't hurt anyone yet.
Nothing's changed. We can still do this. You and me. Your brother's not the only one who can create life. What do you say? Let's go scare you up a date.
Is he gonna take him out?
He's out here. Where else could he be?
He would never go out.
It's about football that does it for me. I mean, it lacks the grace of basketball, the poetry of baseball. At its best, it's undergoing aggression. Such a rugged contest.
Rugged American football.
And that's funny because?
No, I just think it's rather odd that a nation that prides itself on its virility should feel compelled to strap on 40 pounds of protective gear just in order to play rugby.
Is this your normal strategy for first date? Do you think my country's national pastime?
Did you just say date?
Aww.
You noticed that, huh?
Hi, Miss Calendar. Hey, Giles.
Hey guys, what's up? Eric's just a bus. Nothing there.
Yeah, nothing but a bunch of computer equipment and a pornography collection so prodigious it even scared me.
Did Buffy get back yet?
No, no. Perhaps you should circulate nearer the field. See what you can find.
Oh no. Poor Giles. He just wants some alone time. She notices. So cute. I feel sorry for him. He didn't ask to be brought back.
I don't see her, do you?
Take off the blindfold. I promise. I won't scream. I promise.
Cordelia?
Scream all you want. We're in an abandoned building. Okay, that's enough. Back area. But don't worry. When you wake up, you'll have the body of a 17-year-old. In fact, you'll have the body of several.
Man, that's a good scream.
He was here, Chris. Where did he take her?
To the rest of the body, to the lab.
Where is that?
I promised him.
Look, he'll kill Cordelia.
Go.
You can't just give and take lives like that. It's not your job.
He's in the old science lab. Everything's set up there.
Thank you. I'll find Xander and we'll tell them what's going on.
It'd be easier to knock her out just saying, like,
Buffy, help me.
Dara, listen. I know what you're doing, okay? Your brother sent me to stop you.
He wouldn't do that. My brother loves me.
Buffy, they're crazy.
It's okay, Cordelia. I'm gonna get you out of here.
I'm not done with her yet. I'm not finished. I won't let him go. I'm getting out of here. Have to help me. Let go!
this roller. Roller. That works.
She's mine! No! We need to gather always. No.
Sad. She just left him when he died. He has to lose him again. I think they were gonna try cutting her head while she was alive. I mean, while she was awake. That's like, oof.
First time he woke up after. He said I shouldn't have brought him back. I was just trying to look out for him. Like he would have done for me.
I saw the fire. I think you'd be here. Is everyone okay?
Yeah,
A little late.
we're okay.
Did you just say second date?
You noticed that, huh?
They're so cute together.
Well, I guess that makes it official. Everybody's paired off. Vampires get dates. Hell, even the school librarians see more action than me. You ever think that the world is a giant game of musical chairs and the music stopped? And
You almost kissed her last episode. What happened?
All the time. Xander, I just wanted to thank you for saving my life. What you did in there was really brave and heroic, and I just wanted to tell you if there's anything I could ever do to...
Do you mind? We're talking here.
So where were we?
She's being genuine.
Yeah, so why do you think that is? Oh, crazy like a 241-year-old being jealous of a high school junior?
Are you fessing up?
I thought about it. Maybe it bothers me a little.
I don't love Xander.
Yeah, but he's in your life. He gets to be there when I can't. Take your classes, eat your meals, hear jokes and complaints. He gets to see you in the sunlight.
It's okay.
I don't look that good in that light.
It'll be morning soon.
I should probably go. I could walk you home.
This is so sweet. Why am I getting teary-eyed just them walking holding hands? It's just music. Poor Daryl. Poor, I feel bad for the mom not knowing, but it's probably better if she didn't know, because losing him again, she was already, like, gone. That would have been really bad. Wow. I had a feeling earlier in the episode when they were first taking the parts that it might be something Frankenstein related, so interesting seeing like their take on Frankenstein and Bride of Frankenstein and first one-off of the season, I guess, but it was still pretty cool. Cordelia always getting kidnapped, poor thing. And she was actually really genuine at the end, and Xander's just like, well, whatever, but hey, karma, like he said earlier, but yeah, another good episode. I really liked it. Creepy, but yeah, I'm really excited to get to the next. I just want to keep watching them one after the other, but I'm trying to pace myself. I still got a lot to go, so hope you enjoyed this reaction, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.